Tracking time for retainer clients doesn't have to be complicated, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it efficiently and without getting overwhelmed. If you've ever struggled with managing time and billing for retainer clients, stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'll walk you through a simple process that works without all the unnecessary tech headaches. First, let's get this out of the way. Retainer clients can be tricky to manage when it comes to time tracking, especially if you're trying to balance multiple projects or clients at once. So what's the easiest way to track time without overcomplicating things? It all starts with choosing the right tool. And no, it doesn't have to be the most expensive, overly complicated software. I've tried out the most popular time tracking tools on the market, and after testing a bunch of them, there's one I found that works best for this. And before I get into the details, I'll mention that we're using our recommended software today, and if you want to follow along with the exact tool I use, there's an exclusive free trial for viewers of this channel in the description below. Now let's get to the steps. Step 1. Break down your tasks into clear, actionable items. For most retainer clients, you're working on ongoing tasks. Rather than tracking time for every little thing, group similar tasks together. For example, you could group content creation into one category and meetings into another. This reduces the need for tracking every minute and keeps things streamlined. Step 2. Set up fixed time blocks for the work you do. You can use the time tracking software to create specific blocks for each service or project you're working on for the retainer. For example, if you're offering social media management, assign a block for research, content creation, and analytics review. When you start working, just click on the block and track time until you're done. It's simple, and you'll get accurate data without too much effort. Step 3. Make use of automatic time tracking features. The software we're using has a built-in tracker that starts when you begin working and stops when you're finished. This takes the guesswork out of manually entering hours later, which, let's be honest, is always a pain. You get a reliable breakdown of your hours, and all you need to do is review them at the end of the week. Step 4. Keep track of client-specific details. Each retainer agreement may have different terms. The software allows you to set custom billing rates for each client. This way, you don't have to manually calculate how much to charge based on time tracked. Just link the time you track to the correct client and let the software handle the math. Now, let's talk about reporting. At the end of the week or month, it's important to be able to show your clients exactly what they've paid for. You don't need to get bogged down in complicated spreadsheets. With our softwares, you can generate simple, professional reports at the click of a button. These reports can show how much time you've worked, what tasks you've completed, and how that correlates with the retainer fee. And if you're still hesitant, remember, the key to making all of this work is to keep it simple. Don't get lost in trying to track every second or using unnecessary features. Focus on the tasks that matter most, set up easy time blocks, and use your chosen software to handle the hard work. Key takeaway. The simplest way to track time for retainer clients without overcomplicating it is to group tasks, set fixed time blocks, and use a time tracking tool that automates as much as possible. Keep your system clean, efficient, and easy to manage. To quickly recap, break your tasks down, use time blocks, leverage automatic time tracking, and generate reports that are easy for clients to understand. If you're ready to implement this method and start simplifying your time tracking, take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we used in this video. The link is in the description below. Don't miss out.